Well, hello, my peeps. I'm just going to do a couple quick problems to review a little bit of these systems of equations. So, the first equation, or the first system we're going to do, I have to solve for one of the variables if I want to do substitution. That's what I want to do for this set. The next video will be elimination or the addition method, whatever you want to call it. So to do substitution, I need to solve for one of these four terms. For the variable, I want a 1x equals or a 1y equals. So I'm going to solve for the first one's y. So I'm going to subtract x. So I'd have y equals 5 minus x. Then I take that information and put it in for y in the other equation. So it'd be 2x plus 3 times 5 minus x equals 12. So I'd have 2x plus 15 minus 3x equals 12. Now, you want to get the x's on one side, numbers on the other. So I would combine the x's, that'd be negative x, and subtract 15, that would be negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 1, so x equals 3. But I'm not done, because I also need to know what y is. And boy, that is a horrible picture. Wonder what's wrong. So I'm going to put this back into one of the three equations. This one, or this one. For x. So I'd have y equals 5 minus 3, so y equals 2. So it'd be 3, 2. So the second equation. Again, I want to solve for one of the variables, but if you solve for a variable that has a 1 or negative 1 in front of it, it makes life so much easier. If I solve for this 2, I'm going to have fractions, because I'd subtract 3y, divide by 2, so I'd have 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2y. In fractions, most people tend to mess up. So I would solve for this term right here. So I would subtract 3x, then take the opposite of both sides. Then I'm going to put that information in for y into the other equation. So I'd have 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 2 equals 5. So I'd have 2x plus 9x minus 6. I distributed the 3 to both terms, equals 5. I'm going to combine the x's and add 6, so 11x equals 11. So x equals 1 when you divide both sides by 11. But I'm not done, because I don't know why. I do not know why. Don't know why. So I have to put that back in, so y equals 3 times 1 minus 2, so y equals 1. So the answer is 1, 1. Now I know this is a short video, but really we've been doing this for several weeks, so hopefully you can figure it out and do well tomorrow. The last quiz of the quarter. Oh my goodness. Anyways, bye-bye.